I think it was a Gartner report that mentioned through 2024, 50% of supply chain organizations would invest in applications to enable or that focus on AI. So would love to hear, Jim or Hamal, do you have any AI initiatives at Composites One or Sooner Pipe that you plan for 2024?
Yes. In fact, actually, we did something that's not really AI based, but utilizing Incorta, we have developed some dashboards that really give our management visibility into the inventory in the way that they never had it before. For example, right now they're able to see, okay, what are our top 15 items that we are selling? Okay, for those 15 items, how much inventory I have, how much new inventory that I have coming on PO, purchase orders, and then what are the sales booked against that inventory. So with that, they are able to compare, we are overbuying inventory, and then that's at the individual SKU level. The same visibility at the customer level. For a specific customer, the inventory that I am holding for that customer, plus the new purchases I'm making, is that in line with the current on hand that I have and the current bookings that I have. So looking at all these different, 3 different your supply chain metrics, right? Your on hand inventory, your purchases, your sales, be able to kind of like make intelligent decisions. And then now we just right now going through a requirement of starting a AI-based project where we are going to try to predict the prices of the material that we purchase. Because, in our industry, the material that we purchase, it goes through a lot of ups and downs based on the number of rigs, what is the drilling activity, what is the oil price. If Saudi decides that they are going to cut the oil production by $1 million a barrel, I mean, that has a huge impact on the oil price and subsequently our raw material. So all these metrics we are going to take, what is our GDP, right? What is the inflation and all that, and then we are going to feed a lot of data out of Incorta, data feed into Incorta, and then create a AI model that's going to predict the price of our purchases. So that gives us, our purchasing team, hey, should we do a speculative buy right now anticipating that the prices are going to go up, or other way around, hey, let's hold off on the purchases right now because we expect the price to go down. So yeah, that's the project underway.
Yeah,
and I would say not for 2024, but sorry, Steve, but not for 2024, but we have a similar use case, right? I mentioned housing starts earlier, but bringing in leading economic indicators, and then draw those correlations between what's going on out there and how's that impacting us within our 4 walls. But then potentially leveraging AI, that's also, okay, what's that going to look like in the future? Again, a capability that we wouldn't have with something desktop based stuff. So again, probably not 2024, but definitely on the radar as a phenomenal way to leverage that.